Well done. We made it to the end of session 1. And what a session it's been. Just think what we've done. We have downloaded and installed SQL Server on your machine. We have created a database, created a table, dropped the table, and then we have learnt all about date, number, and string data types. We've also learnt a lot about functions, how to manipulate them, how to get the first part, the last part of strings, how to get the year or month of dates, and how to divide integers, multiply, and anything else we need to do, raise it to the power, square root, all those things. Now, you may not have got all of the information just yet, but that's okay. What you can do is you can rerun some of the videos if you want. You could take more of the quizzes. Get that information solidified in your head. Or alternatively, you can continue to session 2, because session 2 builds on session 1. So we'll be using the information that you've just learned in future sessions. So what is session 2? Session 2 will be creating tables which use these data types, and I'll be asking you which data type is best for particular situations. Then we'll be writing queries which retrieve and summarize this information, and then we'll create additional tables and join them all together. We will then update and delete data from the tables. So it's another big session, and I'm sure you want to join us. So, as it's the end of this session, why don't you go and have lunch? And I'll see you in session 2. Bye-bye.